I chose to take this course by UNOSAT because it's an elective for a Master of Disaster Management program, but also as a coordinator in the field in emergency management, I thought it would be really interesting to not only learn how to make the maps, but also learn how to read the maps and what are the challenges with each map and what maps are available and what maps are accessible in the field in order to get more information in a quick, manageable time.
Most of my experience is very qualitative method and very soft humanitarian work, and I miss to have some technical skills where I could gather a large amount of data and analyze it.
From this course I expected to learn to be able to read the maps and be able to understand how to use that information best in the field. I also expected to learn how to make the maps, so you're also able to understand what is a good map and what is not a good map when you receive one in the field in a coordination role.
Quite interesting to try and tie things together, the things we learned throughout the master program. It's all coming together with the disaster response and then applying it in the GIS setting.
I feel like the skills that I've gained are relevant to what I want to do in the future, I appreciate the value of what the course provides to a future disaster manager.
Being in the field, you now know what you can expect of maps and what you can ask for, and I think that's a great advantage as well as a field worker.
I thought the training methodology used was great. It had a good mix between exercises as well as lectures, as well as practical experience and how this can really be benefited in the field.
There was lots of practical work involved, which I think was very useful, especially for a beginner like me.
I always like a mix of teaching methods, basically, so it's not just that you come in the morning and sit by the computer and work by the computer for the rest of the day.
I appreciate now more than ever the importance of map making and the importance of the delivery of rapid map making in the field in a disaster.
I'm very excited to get back into the humanitarian field. I think whether you're doing it for a humanitarian disaster response or whether you're using and learning this skill for a city emergency response planning, I think this skill can be very useful.
Also appreciating how decisions are made based on the information provided in these maps, which I think is something that in this industry that people may take for granted sometimes. It would have been nice if the course was longer, so we have more time to practice and have some more face time with the software. But overall, I think it's definitely exceeded my expectations.